So, hello, namaskar to the all chemistry lovers and doctors, engineers of the near future. Me, Vijay Kumar Soni from the channel Chemistry Wala as a YouTube channel. Just I'm going to share with you just the chapter coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry के regarding अभी तक बहुत सारी videos में हमने coordination compound के बारे में जाना, coordination compound के structures में क्या क्या participate करते हैं उनके बारे में जाना. Now we have discussed about the nomenclature of the coordination compound. कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड के रिगार्डिंग जस्ट वीडियो फर्स्ट वीडियो सेकंड हम पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 के नाम से जान चुके हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू जस्ट थर्ड स्लाइड और थर्ड वीडियो एज अ रिगार्डिंग टू नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ ब्रिज बॉन्डेड कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम जाने व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ ब्रिज बॉन्डेड कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड. सपोज आपने डिस्कस कर रखा कि AlCl3 का पर्टिकुलर ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट नहीं होता, इट्स अ लिवाइस एसिड. तो ये क्या करता है अपने आप में कुछ इस टाइप से अनदर Cl के साथ में एक और मॉलिक्यूल के साथ में कुछ इस टाइप से ये Cl इसके साथ शेयर करके ये इसके साथ शेयर करके एक ब्रिज बॉन्ड का फॉर्मेशन कर देता है. सो दीज आर द ब्रिज बॉन्ड. और यही पार्ट यहाँ हो रहा है पर्टिकुलर कि इस सेगमेंट और इस सेगमेंट को अटैच करने का काम ये लिगेंड कर रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दीज आर नोन एज जस्ट योर ब्रिज बॉन्डेड कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड. If we'll go with the just nomenclature, then during nomenclature of the bridge bonded complex compound, it will use of suffix only. Just you can say mu as a prefix. Sorry, this is the prefix. Whatever जो भी है ligand that will be just mu. This is the mu word use करेंगे हम particular. So this is the first question as this one. This is the NS3 whole 5. So if we'll go with the NS3 whole 5, then NS3 exists 0 oxidation state. First of all, now this is the Cr. So its oxidation we have to calculate. This is the OH minus 1 plus again your CrX. This is your NS3 again 0 whole 5 plus Cl5. So it will be your minus 1 whole 5 and net charge, no charge is 0. Because of it's a neutral compound. Now we'll go with the just nomenclature. So it will be 0. This is the X. This is your plus minus minus 1. Another X. So we can say here will 2 of X. This is the minus 1 and minus 5. It will be total minus 6 is equals to 0. This will your 2X is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 by 2. So this will be your plus 3. Oxidation state will be third. Now we'll go with the just nomenclature according to formula जो कि आपके साथ में पहले फर्स्ट वीडियो में शेयर कर चुका हूँ. उस फार्मूले को नहीं भूलना है. यहाँ कोई कैटायन नहीं है तो कैटायन को नहीं लेना है. लिगेंड से स्टार्ट करना. लिगेंड आपके पास में एक ही टाइप के 5 लिगेंड है बट एंटायर कॉम्प्लेक्स जो है वो अपने आप में जस्ट हेटेरोलेप्टिक है बिकॉज ऑफ वन ऑफ द लिगेंड इज डिफरेंट. बट दीज टू हाफ हेल्म आर जस्ट होमोलेप्टिक कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो if we'll go with the just the name, then this is the pentaamine. So the name will be pentaamine. Metal atom is your chromium. Oxidation state we have calculated third. Now this is the bridge bond ligand, so it will use of mu as a prefix. This is the mu. As a mu there is hydroxo. Further is your again pentaamine, chromium. This is the oxidation state third and it will be chloride. No numbering of anion as per rule. Now the time to discuss about the second complex compound. What is that? This is the oxidation states of En is 0 whole 2 plus cobalt is your X. This is again plus. Here is NS2. This is called as amido and this is hydroxo. Both exist minus 1 charge. So here will your minus 1 for NS2. This will minus 1 for your OH. Again for COX. This will be for 0 En and this is for SO42 minus. It will be minus 2 whole 2. Entire will be 0 because it's a neutral complex compound. Now what will be the oxidation state? This is the 0, this is X, this is the minus 1, minus 2, this is your minus 4, 2 to the 4, minus 4. So it will be entire part minus 6, and this one x and x, it will be as a 2 of x. So 2 of x minus is equals to 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. So this will be your 2x is equals to plus 6, and if we'll go with the further x is equals to 6 by 2, this will be your plus 3. Third will be as the oxidation state. Now we'll go with the nomenclature. We'll start from the just ligand. Here is En, and we have discussed for the En and organics just ligands. It will be used of for the number bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis. Here is 2 ligands, so here we'll use of bis prefix. So we can write it as follows. This is the bis ethane 1,2-diamine 1,2-diamine bracket close. This is the cobalt. So bracket close cobalt, third oxidation state, because we have calculated. Now this is the amido and hydroxo. So it will use of hyphen mu hydroxo and amido. It will use of amido. It is more prior alphabetically, and OH is your hydroxo. So this will be mu hydroxo. If we'll go with the further, then bis ethane 1,2-diamine again. So this is the bis ethane 1,2-diamine. This is your cobalt third, and this is your sulfate. The name of complex compound is your bis ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt third mu amido mu hydroxo. This is the bis ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt third sulfate. This was about the second question regarding to the practice. Now we'll go with the third question. What is that? We'll use the prefix same mu. Third question is your as follows. This is again similar with the second question. So you can do the practice, and I will share in the next video as a practice also as a picture of practice. So be with me. What is that? The third question is your this one. So first of all, NH3. This is. So now regarding to just third compound will go again. It will use of prefix as a mu, because of all these are as a bridge-bonded compound. So if we'll go with the third compound, then this is the NH3 whole 4 CONHNO2 and CONH3 whole 4. This is the plus 3. Oxidation state, then it will be NH3 will be 0. Total number is your 4. So this is the 4 regarding to the compound. This is the cobalt as a X. This is your NH. It exists minus 2 charge, because this is the imido, and NO2 exists minus 1 charge. Again cobalt is your X, NH3 again your 0. Total number is 4, and this is the just total charge as a plus 3. So this is the this will in the equal as a plus 3. This is your 0. Again this is the X, and X it will be 2X. This is the minus 2 minus 1. This is the minus 3 is equals to plus 3. If I'll go with the further, then 2x, this is the minus 3, this will be again here will be, so changes in minus 3 is equals to 0. 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. This is your 2x equals to plus 6. X is equals to, it will be 6 by 2. So the oxidation state will be plus 3 as a third. This was the oxidation state. Now I would like to go with the name. So first of all, we'll start same with the formula tetraamine. This is the tetraamine. After that, metal atom cobalt third. This is the imido. This is the nitro. Alphabetically, imido is more prior. So this will be mu imido. This is the mu nitro. Again, this is the tetraamine. This is your cobalt and oxidation state third, and it will use of iron for the positively charged complex. We are discussing previous video. Now the time to discuss about this compound. So first of all, this is the third question as a, and this is the fourth question. This is the fourth question. If we'll go with the oxidation state, then this is the triphenyl phosphine. Its oxidation state will be 0. This is the -1 for chlorido. This is -1 for chlorido, and this will again your 0. So for Cl, it will your -4, and here is 2 of Pd. So for each Pd, it will be second oxidation state. So if we'll go with the name, this is the chlorido. So the name will be chlorido. This is your triphenyl phosphine. Triphenyl phosphine. Central metal atom is your palladium. So this is the palladium oxidation state second. Further, this is the chlorido and chlorido, both are same. So we can say mu dichlorido. So this is the mu dichlorido, and if both are different, then it will use according to alphabetic sequence. Mu dichlorido, and this is the again chlorido. Chlorido. This is your triphenyl phosphine. Triphenyl phosphine. Triphenyl phosphine, and this is the palladium second. This is your palladium second. So this was about the just fifth compound as a bridge bonded compound. Now we'll go with the just sixth compound. Now we'll go with the further, that is your fifth compound. What is that? This is as follows. As a bridge bonded compound, if we'll go with the, this is the tricarbonyl, and these are the two equal segments. So we can use mu tricarbonyl. This is the fifth compound. Mu tricarbonyl. This is the mu tricarbonyl. This is the tricarbonyl. If we'll go with the further, then these exist two equal parts. So we can say bis. In bracket, it will use of tricarbonyl. This is again your iron. Oxidation state is your 0. So this was about the just bridge bonded complex compound. We'll meet in the next video with the new topic as an isomeasurement complex compound. Till then, just practice about the bridge bonded compound also, because of these are the important in NEET and IIT and just graduation also, who are doing just graduation regarding to as a BSc. Till then, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका यूं ही आभारी रहूँगा. Thank you.